Let's do it. 1, 2, 3, baby! Oh yeah! You got no speeds, I got speeds! You guys saw that? What's up, Nitro gang? I'm gonna be going online, watching a live video, and doing a little bit of trolling. I'm also going to attempt to buy a used HPI Savage XL, one of the ones I already have, the original ones with the 3-speed in it. So therefore I could yell, 3-speed baby, whenever I want. You know, I just got finished doing a forward-only conversion. Look at all these parts I have in my hand. Yep, forward-only conversion. Can you take a guess which RC? These are all the parts that came out of one of my Traxxas Revo 3.3s. Instruction manual, right? Forward only right here. This is what happened. You want to see what happened? One of the gears inside the transmission is completely shredded. I didn't get a lot of it on video. Actually, I got none of it. I only took some pictures. But take a look at some of these pictures as I'm talking. Really, I just was kind of lazy. I've never done my own forward-only conversion on a Traxxas Revo, but in fact, it actually is not hard at all. Once you remove all of these unnecessary components from the Revo, that thing is going to be a beast. It's going to be back to destroying RCs, and in fact, the one that I took this out of was the one that I jumped off a ramp with a guitar tied to the back, and the 2-speed inside is actually okay. You could tell here these Durlin-looking white gears are fine. Only really had a problem with this one destroyed gear, no big deal. So right now, it's time to take out the trash. Yeah!
Has left the building.
I figured why not make myself like a little bit of a relaxed video, do a little bit of shopping, watch a little bit of racing. This shirt right here, kind of really just to put myself in a better mood, you know. I've been doing a lot of staying at home, working from home type of stuff, and I'm actually wearing sweatpants. That's right. Put on a nice shirt, it may be wrinkled, doesn't really matter. Wear a cool hat, you know, make yourself feel a little bit better. I wanted to give a shout out to one of my Nitro Gang fans and viewers, Jeff. He sent in a box. What do you guys think is in this box? Let me give you a little bit of a sneak peek. I will be doing a video on the entire contents here eventually. This is just a little bit of a preview. It is a box of Nitro engines, baby. Do you guys see what's going on here? There's like a whole bunch of Nitro engines. We will get to them eventually. I haven't really looked at any of them yet, but this looks like a Kyosho motor right here. We have ourselves an XTM motor over here. They're missing some components, but it's no big deal. We have an OS CVR motor here with a pipe. I think this is probably from an RC10 GT. That's they came with these blue pipes back in the day. There's still some other gems in here. We're gonna talk about this later. Thanks so much, Jeff. You're a true member of the Nitro Gang. Okay, first thing, let's go watch a little bit of 8-scale Nitro racing. What's up, guys? I'm watching a live 2021 Dirt Challenge. I'm going to do some trash talking right here in the chat. We'll see if anybody knows the Nitro Gang. I know some of my boys out here, Tegrity RC, they know who I am. Nitro Freak, he knows who I am. All right, let's see. We're watching this live.
Get a short warm-up.
We got the guy in the background talking too.
Learned from their e-buggy class last night.
These guys don't look like they're running rich or loud at all. I don't see any smoke. I'm kidding. I see some smoke. That was a joke.
Giving these guys a couple 3 minutes of warm up, from what I heard Jimmy say. Thank you very much. Glad to have everybody. 28, almost 3,000 people watching here.
The Nitro Gang is here. Say it, bro.
Sponsors Aim8 Hobbies and Proline.
What about the Nitro Gang? I'm self-sponsored. I know you're reading an hour-long sponsor list. I'm sponsored by my day job.
Everybody. All right, as we get ready.
You like that? I put it right here. I'm sponsored by my day job. I'm not even kidding.
Where you are from around the world. We know we've had over
NYC, yo.
51, 52 nations have chimed.
Oh, right here. We got Tegrity. I knew it. I knew it. He supports the Nitro Gang. That's right. Tegrity, you're going to be in the video, my guy.
To share this experience with you. We're gonna try.
All right, guys, slow down. I can't keep up with your comments.
Cody, how are you?
All right, this commentator, he's not even talking about Nitro.
Can't catch them all. Art Screamos from Colorado, of course. Rob, Kevin.
They're just talking about guys' names from different states. Guess what? Guys live in many different states. Nothing unique about that. Open up a phone book, you'll see. People there from every state, bro. Oh man, these guys are talking too fast. I just gotta start spamming the channel. Nitro Gang, and that's it. That's all we need to say. Nitro Gang.
I see Colorado again. Illinois.
Illinois? Did this guy just say Illinois? Well, we know what he got in his geography classes. Illinois. Could we talk about RC maybe? This guy right here, I just saw some nice smoke from him. Tell this guy to subscribe. Alright, let's go. Nitro buggy racing. Oh, finally we hear some engine noises. Finally. Oh yeah, that guy in the middle. I knew he was running rich. I knew it. Oh, someone said 3-speed baby. Alex Lopez, 3-speed baby. I'm gonna give him a little shout out. That's right, you see that? Alex, what's up? 3-speed baby. No joke. People know all about that. These guys can't even yell 2-speed baby because they're running basic buggies over here. 2-speed baby. Anyone gonna know? Let's see. I heard Ryan Cavalieri. Some pretty top-notch stuff over here.
So Dakota Finn out front. Cole Ogden second. Dakota Finn off the track already. Marshall going to get him. Falls down.
It says right here Cavalieri is in the 7th position. Adam Drake is 6th.
I believe that's Tanner Denny behind him. Adam Drake moving up.
Oh, we got some people right here saying Nitro. That's right. Bucks World RC, one of my viewers, great guy.
Tanner Denny has looked so good, as they said, coming off the couch this weekend. Looked calm, cool, and collected. Definitely poised for a run at the
Oh yeah, we got it right here. My boy JV. NWO for life. For those of you that don't know, this doesn't mean New World Order. This is Nitro World Order, baby. NWO, Nitro World Order. Yo, JV, you in this video, kid.
The big losers so far on the start are going to be Finn and Mayfield going from 1 to 6 and 4 to 7.
Oh, a little short there from Ogden. Tanner Denny, a little hit on the pipe, but he's all right.
Oh, what's that? I'm recording this.
That used to be something in the early first
Nitro Gang, baby. Man, I don't know why I like to troll videos late at night. I'm just out here repairing my old Losi LST for a buddy of mine. Decided to go online, you know, do some screen recording, and this is what we get. Let's see who's doing good over here. Oh, Adam Drake moved up to 3rd. We got JV. Nah, I couldn't get out at the house to destroy the 11-year-olds with a Slayer at the rookie club. Damn. You gotta kill those rookies with a Slayer, bro. The Traxxas Slayer, highly underrated Nitro. Could we talk about the RCs? Like, I don't care about these people, dude. Anybody could drive a Nitro. All it takes is skill and money and, you know, with your sponsorship. Talk about the technology. Talk about the engines. Talk about the fuel they're running.
Second through 12 behind him with Tebow going to the 2. Coming out of the wall.
Hybrid. Oh, this guy right here. Day Media Vids. Hybrid. I just got some LST questions. Yo, LST answers. Right here. Here. Damn. Typo. Typo.
3:30 complete on our way to 45 minutes.
This is a 45-minute run, guys. Lipos would have been dead a long time ago, you know?
So Tebow trying to hold all these guys off while simultaneously trying to catch Cole Ogden. Tanner, did he go to the inside? He's going to make it stick. Oh, man.
All right, the camera work is actually pretty good in this race so far.
It's not as worn out at the outside. Obviously, the shorter distance between two lines is a straight right there. He was able to take it nose to tail here over the triple. Here we go.
All right, here, Hybrid. Actually, I got tied up with some linkage and new radio issues. Hence, I couldn't make it out to the club race. Okay, well, Hybrid, what's a good place to get some steering knuckles? eBay, man. I don't know. That's like a good question. Dame Media. Check eBay, bro. Honestly, guys, like for parts, people always ask me what's a good place to get parts. It's the same place we all get parts. It's eBay, Amazon, or your hobby store. That's about it. I don't break my RCs often enough to really have to know where to get parts, you know? Alright, this video is going to get too long. I'm going to cut this recording. Personally, I don't really care how they do. What do we got? I don't know any of these guys. Only Drake, I know him. And Cavalieri, I know him. But that's it. Basically just talking about guys' names. I don't care about that. I want to know about Nitro engine specs. I want to know about RPM. I want to know which kind of clutch belts they're running. I want to know how much oil is in their nitro fuel. Not what their name is. Come on. I had enough dealing with electrics. We're gonna jump it. Oh yeah, baby. Can it do this? Oh, oh, oh. Thing is scary. You got no speeds, I got speeds. 3 speed is on point, baby. Who can say they got 3 speeds on this track? Only me. 2. Oh, this thing is scary, yo. Let's do this. Yeah, boy. Let's do it again. Let's do it again. Yeah. Can't kill the savage, baby. Speed kicks. 1, 2, 3, baby. Oh, front flip Savage. Let's check out this classic HPI Savage XL. Now it says sold right here, and guys, I'll tell you right now, I am not the buyer. Unfortunately, I just did not offer that much money. Let's look at the listing and then we'll check out my conversation with this guy. In terms of information, it says gas-powered RC truck, super fast, super durable, super fun. Okay, so no description at all. This is my entire message with the seller. He was asking for 200 bucks. We'll take a close look at the pictures in a little bit. I would like to buy the car for 150. So I think my offer is not crazy. You know, I was pretty close to the asking price. Then no response, so I sent another message. Hello, can we do 150? Please let me know, thanks. He responds and says, no, we can't. Then I said, okay, no problem, good luck. That's basically the end of the conversation and the item sold. I'm not the buyer. Let's go back to the car itself and you guys will understand why I only offered 150 bucks. We're back to the main listing. Let's look at the pictures and you guys will see why I only offered 150. Now, I think honestly it was not a bad offer. The wheels are okay, the suspension looks all normal, the body looks normal. This is like a 2010 model, I would say, the one with the 3-speed, fairly desirable. I don't see anything absolutely wrong with it here, seems fine. The real problems come up later on in the This picture, I'm already starting to notice a couple signs of age and probably poor storage and maintenance. This rod here is completely rusty. Might not be the end of the world, but usually when you see rust on RC like this, there's usually rust in other areas that matter. And generally the motor is probably rusty as well. Looking at the top of the motor, I could see this high-speed needle looks very weird. This is not the way the high-speed needle should be on this carb, unless it is completely turned out of the carb. This high-speed needle should not be sticking outside of the fuel inlet the way it is here. I don't know why this person would not just put it back in. It is usually best to keep it, you know, basically almost flush or lower than the throttle fuel inlet itself. But here it's outside of the carb body. Very weird. This is one of the main reasons I really didn't go for the $200 offer. You know, whenever you see something like this, chances are you might need a new carb, but more likely than not, you will need a new engine. And getting a Savage K5.9 engine, you know, it's going to be a problem. The radio, this is their old style TF20U stock radio. Also not exceptional, the worst of the worst. Then we have a picture here with absolutely no information on the nitro fuel that was used. No nitro content here. We don't know anything about it, other than it's very little in there. So collectively, you have fairly good shape classic vintage Savage with a 3-speed baby, but you have an engine that more likely than not will need to be replaced. There's just excessive rust. The way the carb is mounted here, I just don't trust it. That's why, guys, I only offered $150. If you think my offer was too low, you know, put it in the comments. I'm curious, would you have paid $200 for this? $200 is also not a bad rate. You can easily just stick in like a normal Dynamite 28 in this, and this thing will still be fun. But with the minimal information, the way it's advertised, I just felt that $150 was the safe bet. Nitro.
So fine, but her breath is like, ooh. She says she wanna dance, but she don't know how to. Ooh. I'm iced out, ooh, looking like a star. Ooh. Her name is Jenny, ooh, bitch don't have no panties. Ooh. I'm Steph Curry, when I hit the 3, I hit the.
What's up?
I don't want to hear this once a day. Come on, let's get big. Come on.